Channel Advisor can be used to send your product information across a variety of channels. In order to provide all of the information needed to describe your products on marketplaces, or to advertise your products on search and shopping channels, you should carefully consider what information is needed and how you plan to send that information to us. Channel Advisor allows for a variety of ways to add inventory into our software. The simplest way to add your inventory into Channel Advisor is via our user interface. This is the most direct and preferred method when only needing to add a few items to your inventory. Using this method is suggested for all new users of our software to familiarize themselves with the default fields in Channel Advisor. It's expected that as you become more familiar with the software, that you will likely move to a more efficient way to add items in bulk. However, understanding how your inventory looks once it's added in the software via the manual method will help you appreciate how the data you're sending us is displayed once it's uploaded. To add inventory using our interface, navigate in the software to Inventory, Products, All Products. Select Create New and choose Inventory Item from the list. The following screen will display all available default fields to describe your new item. You'll see next to some fields a red star like this one. This means that this field is required if you want to save this item. Complete as many fields as you can to help describe your item. If you take the time to set up your inventory with accurate titles, descriptions, prices, and other relevant product data, you'll have markedly better results across marketplace channels, which means more revenue for you. Attributes can be used to add additional fields that might not already be included by default in our application. To add an attribute, scroll to the top of the screen and navigate to Inventory, Grouping, Attributes. You can then select the Add New button to create as many additional fields as are necessary to describe your inventory items. I'll add a new attribute to describe the size of my items. If we navigate back to the inventory item we were working on, you'll see a new field in the Attributes area called Size that we can now populate with a value. You can upload an image for this item by selecting the link here. On the following screen, select the image you want to apply to this item from your hard drive and click Save and Exit. Then, select the appropriate image placement for this image. Some sellers like to devote a specific image placement for a marketplace depending on how the image is created. For example, Amazon has strict requirements for their images, whereas eBay is more open to what the image can look like. As a result, you might decide to put all of your Amazon images in Item Image URL 2 so you're well organized. If we scroll back to the top, you'll see two more tabs associated with your item: Upsells and Shipping. The Upsells feature is used to offer accessory or complementary items as the buyer checks out from your Channel Advisor store. Please note that this feature is used only when utilizing the Channel Advisor checkout via your basic store or premium web store offering. The Shipping tab allows you to associate a specific shipping rate to this item during checkout. Once you've configured shipping classes and carriers in our system, you can enter shipping rates for each applicable carrier on this item. For more information on setting up your shipping, please view the video in the Strategy and Support Center on that topic. This completes the item creation process, and you can now apply this item to the appropriate marketplace.